legs.
Yeah.
He's in there fighting the best K1 fighter in the world.
Everyone that's been put before him is defeated.
He's rinsed off really well.
Hard. Left from McQueenie.
Oh,
big
beautiful
left hand.
shot.
Seen him knock a lot of people out with that. Yeah,
McQueenie.
he is. He's dealing with
Left kick from Giorgio.
He can,
Horrible.
good
Beautiful
hook.
hook.
Oh. Hard body.
Landing right across his arm and his ribs, everything.
Hard. Another big shot. Letting his shots off against him. Good shots from McQueenie. Bouncing off the chin of Petrosyan.
Sneaky there, back
Very
kick him out of
sneaky.
nowhere. He's trying to get close to him, but he can't.
Very
He's
awkward
getting
customer.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Left hook in it. He's left hook.
didn't he?